battery should last at least 8 years. But 70% of cars on the road fail early. Bad brands, bad habits, or both. Follow this through to the end, and you will never make that mistake again. Today, I'm showing you 5 battery brands to avoid, 7 that genuinely last 5 years or more, and at the very end, the one mistake that destroys any battery regardless of brand. Let's start with the ones to avoid. Number 5. Budget store brands. Random names. No history. No reputation. Just a low price sitting there on the shelf looking like a deal. And that's exactly the trap. Most of these batteries are white label products. One factory builds them, and different stores paste their own label on top. The name changes from one month to the next, but inside it's often the same low-grade build every time. Thin lead plates. Low reserve capacity. Weak, cold cranking power. That means the battery is already struggling from day one, and the decline only accelerates from there. In hot climates especially, these batteries can fail in under 2 years, sometimes much sooner. Compare that to properly tested batteries. The Duralast Platinum Ang, for instance, scored around 90 in Consumer Reports testing. That is a battery built to last. Budget store brands don't come anywhere close to that. The real problem is inconsistency. One unit might hold up for 2 years, the next one dies in 8 months. You're rolling the dice every single time. And when your car won't start on a cold Tuesday morning, that cheap battery suddenly becomes a very expensive mistake. And the next one on this list is even worse. Number 4. Everstart Value Line. This is where a lot of people go wrong before they've even opened their wallet. They walk into Walmart, see the Everstart name, and assume they're buying the battery everyone recommends. But Everstart is not one battery. It's a tiered system. Value sits at the very bottom, below Plus, below Max, and well below Platinum. It's designed for basic use only. Old cars, light driving, minimal electronics. Here's the problem with that. Modern vehicles demand more power than ever before. Screens, sensors, modules, systems running quietly in the background even when the engine is off. The value line was never built for that level of demand. So what happens? The battery gets drained deeper than it should, over and over again. It struggles to recover, and it loses strength much faster than expected. The internal materials don't help either. Lower-tier batteries use simpler internal designs to keep costs down, but that also means they handle heat and vibration poorly, and heat is one of the fastest ways to age a battery out of existence. In warmer regions, these batteries tend to fade early and fade fast. Now compare that to the Everstart Platinum AG H5. Same brand name, completely different battery, completely different level of performance. The mistake here is not choosing Everstart. The mistake is choosing the wrong tier. Number 3. Older die-hard models. This one catches a lot of people off guard because the name used to mean something real. For years, die-hard was synonymous with reliability, long life, never let you down. But things changed after Sears declined and the brand changed hands. That's when the inconsistency crept in. Not every die-hard battery is a problem today, but the older and lower-tier models are where most of the complaints cluster. The die-hard red entry-level line. Older die-hard gold models, especially the pre-Ang versions. Rebranded standard flooded versions sold through various retailers. These batteries still carry the name, but the inside no longer matches the old reputation. Most of them use older flooded battery technology, which makes them more sensitive to heat, vibration, and deep discharge. Instead of lasting 4 to 5 years, problems start appearing much earlier. To be fair, The newer models have improved significantly. The die-hard Platinum AIM-H5 scored around 86 in Consumer Reports testing. Strong result. But that improvement doesn't carry over to the older lines. Don't buy die-hard on the name alone. Know exactly which version you're getting before you hand over your money. Number 2. Some Exide batteries. Exide is one of those names people trust without asking questions. You'll hear someone say, just get an Exide, and leave it at that. But that advice is too broad, because Exide makes very different batteries under the same brand. The entry-level models are the most widely available, basic flooded batteries you'll find in small shops or roadside replacement situations. Built to be affordable, easy to install, done. But here's where they fall short. These batteries are not designed for long-term use in modern vehicles. Higher electronics, higher sensors, higher power draw, even with the engine off. A basic battery like this gets worn out faster just trying to keep up. The aging pattern is what bothers most drivers. Instead of years of stable performance, you start noticing a gradual drop after the first year. The battery becomes unpredictable. Some mornings, everything feels fine. Other mornings, the engine cranks slower for no obvious reason. That kind of behavior is a warning, and it tends to escalate. There's also the way these batteries are typically purchased. Emergency replacement. Your car won't start, you need something right now, you take whatever's available without checking the specs. That's how people end up with them. Exide does make stronger batteries, better tiers exist within the brand. But the lower-end versions are built for convenience, not durability. And that's exactly why they're near the top of this list. Number 1. Cheap no-name batteries. No brand behind them. No history. No way to trace where they were manufactured or how. You find them in small roadside shops, emergency situations, and suspiciously cheap online listings. They all promise the same thing. Same performance as the big brands. They don't deliver. The core problem is the absence of standards. Established brands follow strict production rules. They test their batteries. They control quality at every stage. With no-name batteries, that process is either missing or wildly inconsistent. So you get a battery that works fine today and fails without warning tomorrow. False ratings are another issue. High power numbers printed on the label that simply don't exist in real-world use. The engine cranks slowly in the morning. The car hesitates after sitting overnight. And when it finally dies, the warranty, if there even is one, is either too short to matter or never honored at all. You're on your own. And the internal materials are often used or low grade, meaning faster wear, poor charging, and a much shorter lifespan. So instead of saving money, you replace it once, then again, then again. It's not a bargain, it's a cycle, and it's the fastest way to turn a simple battery swap into a permanent headache. Now that you've seen the worst offenders, let's flip the list. Here are the 7 battery brands that actually last 5 years or more. Number 7. EverStart Max. Earlier, we flagged EverStart Value as one to avoid. This is a completely different story. EverStart Max is the mid to high tier from Walmart, and for a lot of drivers, it's the one they keep coming back to. Most of you watching this are probably already using one. Go check the comments if you doubt that. So what makes it different? First, starting power. Most models push between 700 and 850 cold cranking amps. Your car starts strong even after sitting overnight. Second, the warranty, usually around 3 years free replacement. That alone tells you this battery is built for a longer run than the lower tiers. But what really matters is how it handles daily life. Stop and go traffic. Short trips. Cars loaded with electronics, heat and vibration. EverStart Max handles all of it better than the basic options. It holds a charge longer, recovers faster after each start, and doesn't struggle when the car sits for a few days. Drivers don't just buy this battery once. They buy it again. One driver reported 8 years from a single max battery. Others consistently get 5+ years across multiple vehicles. This is where you move from good enough to genuinely reliable. Number 6. Delco Gold or Professional. This is not just another aftermarket brand. It's tied directly to General Motors, which means these batteries are engineered to match what many cars come with straight from the factory. That matters, because factory-level parts are designed to fit right, work right, and hold up under normal driving conditions without compromise. The Gold and Professional lines hit the sweet spot. Not the cheapest option, not the most expensive, but extremely well-balanced. Stable power delivery, strong internal construction. Reliable performance across different climates. No drama, they just work. If you drive a BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Porsche, Cadillac, Chevrolet, GMC, Dodge, Ram, or Jeep, the Delco 49 ANG deserves your attention. This battery is built for larger engines and high electrical demand. It's not being pushed to its limits. It was designed from the start for that level of load. That's the difference. Instead of a battery struggling to keep up, you have one built to match exactly what your vehicle asks of it. Year after year, it stays stable. Number 5. Bosch batteries. Not the loudest name in the conversation, but quietly one of the most consistent. Bosch has been in the engineering business for a long time, and that same precision carries into their batteries. These are not built to be the cheapest thing on the shelf. They are built to be balanced. Good power output, good lifespan, and steady performance over time with no sudden surprises. What stands out in daily use is stability. No random weak starts, no unexplained drops after a few months. The battery does its job every day without calling attention to itself. And that matters more than people realize, because most batteries don't fail all at once. They gradually become unreliable. Bosch batteries resist that pattern by holding their performance longer. Strong plate construction, good vibration resistance, controlled power output under rough conditions. And if you drive a European vehicle, Audi, Volkswagen, this brand makes even more sense, because the battery design already aligns with the electrical demands those systems place on it. Drivers who switch to Bosch tend to stay with Bosch. It's not hyped. It just works, and it keeps working. Number 4. Interstate batteries. Dependable, consistent. Not flashy. Just the kind of battery that starts your car every single morning without making you think twice about it. The Interstate MTX 47/H5AM scored 91 in Consumer Reports. That's not a marketing number. That reflects real-world long-lasting performance under tough conditions. Interstate batteries are especially strong in vehicles that demand more. Trucks, SUVs, cars loaded with electronics. High starting power. Stable output. Built to resist vibration and heat. That's what extends the lifespan in real driving conditions, not just in lab tests. Availability and support are also part of why drivers trust this brand. When you need a replacement, you know where to find it, and you know what you're getting. No guesswork on quality or consistency. Many drivers report 5 to 7 years of reliable use with the ANG models. If you want a battery that earns its keep over time, Interstate is a serious option. Number 3. Die-Hard Platinum ANG. The brand has come a long way from its earlier inconsistent years. The Platinum ANG line is where Die-Hard truly delivers now. The Die-Hard Platinum ANG H5 scored 91 in Consumer Reports testing. That reflects excellent durability, strong starting power, and reliable performance across a wide range of conditions. ANG technology, absorbent glass mat, makes these batteries resistant to vibration and better at holding a charge. Your car starts reliably even after long periods of inactivity or in extreme weather. The die-hard Platinum AM is also built for vehicles with higher electrical demand. SUVs, trucks, modern cars running multiple electronic systems, all of them benefit from the stable and consistent output these batteries deliver. Standard flooded batteries lose capacity over time. These AM models maintain their strength for years. 5+ years of trouble-free use is a common report from drivers who went this route. You install it, and it performs. Day in, day out, without surprises. Number 2. Odyssey batteries. Odyssey doesn't just make claims, it backs them up. The Odyssey Performance AM 94RH7 scored 94 in Consumer Reports, placing it among the very best batteries available. Only the X2 Power Premium AM scored higher, at 95. That score reflects extreme durability, high starting power, and long-term reliability that holds up under real-world pressure. What sets Odyssey apart is its premium construction. Thicker plates, more robust internal design, AM technology that handles deep discharges without shortening the battery's life. That makes it ideal for trucks, SUVs, and vehicles running heavy electrical loads. Odyssey is often compared to Optima, and for good reason. Both are high performers. But Odyssey tends to lead in raw longevity and reserve capacity, which makes it the choice for drivers who simply cannot afford a failure. The real-world track record speaks for itself. 5 to 8 years of consistent use, with very few issues reported. This is a battery built to outlast the typical replacement cycle. Number 1. Optima Red Top or Yellow Top. Optima sits at the very top for a reason, and that reason is engineering. The Red Top and Yellow Top batteries use spiral cell technology, a design that sets them completely apart from traditional lead-acid batteries. Extremely resistant to vibration. Built for trucks, off-road vehicles, and anything that faces demanding conditions on a regular basis. The Red Top is focused on high starting power. If you need a strong burst of energy to crank a large engine, this is the battery. The Yellow Top is a deep-cycle battery designed to handle repeated discharges and high electrical demand. Winches, custom audio systems, heavy accessories, this is where the Yellow Top excels. Under heavy use, drivers report 5 to 10 years of trouble-free service. Extreme heat, extreme cold, rough roads, Optima handles all of it without degrading quickly. What makes Optima exceptional is that it delivers both high starting power and deep cycle capability in a single battery. That's why it shares the top of the list with Odyssey. Both are outstanding, but when vibration resistance and heavy-duty performance are your priority, Optima is the safest bet you can make. Now, as promised, here are the mistakes that kill any battery, regardless of brand. Mistake number 1. Leaving your car unused for extended periods. When a car sits for weeks or months, the battery slowly loses charge. Over time, that kills the internal plates and cuts the lifespan short. Even an Optima or an Odyssey will weaken if left dead long enough. Mistake number 2. A failing alternator. If your alternator isn't charging correctly, the battery either overworks or undercharges. Either way, it fails early. A weak alternator puts stress on every battery, no matter how premium the brand. Mistake number 3. Corroded terminals. Corrosion blocks electrical flow. Even a top-rated battery will struggle to start your car if the terminals are dirty or oxidized. Clean them regularly, and you prevent a lot of unnecessary headaches. Mistake number 4. Short trips only. Driving just a few minutes at a time never gives the battery a chance to fully recharge. Over time, it gradually loses capacity. Even the EverStart Max or the ACT Delco 49 AM will weaken if they never complete a full charge cycle. The best battery in the world can still leave you stranded if you're making one of these mistakes every day. Now you know what they are. Don't give them the chance.